Let's be real for a second. Are you being a fool in life? It might sting. It's supposed to. Because sometimes the truth hits hard. You're alive. But are you living with purpose? Are you in control? Or are you just reacting to life, hoping something changes without you changing first? Look, I'm not here to shame you. I'm here to wake you up. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a raw blueprint, a 30-day plan to change your life completely. Not through some magical formula, but through real, honest, painful work. So if you're ready to stop fooling yourself and finally get your life together, stay with me. Let's define what being a fool in life really means. It doesn't mean you're stupid. It doesn't mean you're a failure. It means you're living below your potential and pretending it's okay. You make promises you don't keep. You say you'll start tomorrow. You're chasing distractions, giving your time to things that don't matter. Wasting hours online. Hanging with people who drain you. Scrolling instead of building. Talking instead of doing. You're not stupid. You're just stuck in a loop. A lazy loop. But here's the truth. If you don't feel proud when you look in the mirror, something has to change. And it can. In 1 month, if you're ready to stop being passive. Let's talk about how. Change doesn't start with motivation. It starts with honesty. Ask yourself right now, who am I becoming if I continue like this? What's the cost of doing nothing for another year? Am I proud of how I spend my days? If you don't like the answers, good. That's your wake-up call. Most people avoid that feeling. They numb it with dopamine, scrolling, food, distractions. But not you. Not anymore. Here's what you're going to do instead. Give me 30 days. 1 month of discipline. 1 month of focus. 1 month of proving to yourself that you are not average. Let's go step by step. Week 1. Master your mornings. Your mornings are your foundation. If you start your day reacting, you stay reactive. But if you own your morning, you command your life. Your task. Wake up at the same time every day. No excuses. No phone for 30 minutes after waking up. Drink water. Stretch. 10 minutes of silence, breathwork, or journaling. Write 3 things. What you're grateful for, your top goal, and what you'll do today to move forward. You'll start the day like a leader, not a victim. Week 2. Reprogram your mind. You are what you consume. And most people are feeding their minds absolute garbage. Useless TikToks, drama, clickbait. It's poisoning your focus. Your task? Cut 90% of mindless content. Replace with high-quality input. Audiobooks, podcasts, YouTube videos that challenge you. Read for 20 minutes a day. Choose something that builds your mindset. It's like going to the mental gym. You start thinking different. You start moving different. Week 3. Build, don't just consume. Here's the mistake. Most people only consume. They never create. But creation is where confidence is born. It's one thing to build or create every day. It could be writing a post, starting a business idea, working on your body, learning a skill, filming content, whatever. 1 hour daily, no distractions. Put your energy into something that makes you proud. Don't just exist, create, contribute, build momentum. Week 4. Monk mode. This is where things get intense. You've built momentum. Now it's time to lock in. You're going monk mode. Your task? Cut all non-essential social media. No notifications. No junk food. Eat clean. Fuel your body with intention. Sleep 7, 8 hours, no compromise. Stay quiet. Work in silence. Reflect at night. Meditate. Write what you learned, what changed, and what you're going to carry forward. This is the transformation phase. This is where you become unstoppable. After 30 days, you'll feel different. Not because life magically fixed itself, but because you showed yourself that you are capable of doing hard things. You built trust with yourself, and that's priceless. You'll realize you don't need motivation. You need consistency. You don't need permission. You need discipline. And you don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Listen, no one's coming to save you. No one's going to hand you the life you want. But you can change it. 30 days. And yeah, it'll be uncomfortable. People might not get it. But when you come out the other side, you'll be grateful you started. Because nothing feels better than taking control of your life. So, Are you in? Comment "I'm starting" if you're ready. Like the video. Subscribe